One more time. Jesus, now you be your God. 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 I can hear you. Any other Jesus, now you be your God. Jesus, now you be your God.
Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. In today's video, I'll be breaking down this cool and crazy bass line for your praise, okay? I recently did the part 1 of this video, so if you have not watched the video, just click to this link. It will take you direct to the part 1 video. Go check it out. But before we start the lesson, if you're new to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share to your friends and families, okay? So let's begin with the breakdown. This is the part 2 video of this song, okay? If you want the part 3, just leave in the comment and let me know. It was played on key B, B major, okay? So the first groove goes like this. Okay, so let me mention the notes and the progression, okay? So on your re, that's your 2. Now to your 6. Now to your 2. Okay, so let's say re, fa, la, do, re, mi, fa, re. Okay, that's your 2 and 6 progression groove, okay? Okay, so now to your so. Okay, so your so, re, so, ti, and to your 1, do, re, mi, do. Okay, so the ghost note. Okay, so 2, papa. Okay, the same to your so ti. Okay, so if you want to repeat the same progression, maybe you want to start the same song with the same groove, your passing note. Okay, okay, so it's sol, la, do, then you start. Okay, so I guess that is the first bass line. So let's see the second one, and it goes like this. Okay, so in this groove, what I want you to know is how to slide on your bass with groove, okay? Okay, so the groove goes like this. Okay, so I played the root and the octave. Okay, so this is what you'll be doing throughout the groove. All you need to know is your note. Okay, so maybe you are playing so. Okay, so now you'll be sliding to your fa. You can start from anywhere when you're sliding, but make sure you reach your fa safely, okay? Okay. fa, 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 so. Okay, fa, la, do. Okay, so then you continue with your re and mi and your do. Okay, so here I was going from re, mi, do, fa. Okay, so I did it this way. You see, so re, mi, do, fa, so, la, re, so. Okay, you see. Okay, okay, then you land on your do safely. Okay, so with all this groove, you can groove it in any praises. Okay, what you need to put in your mind is your progression and your tempo. Okay, so now let's look at the third one. The third one groove goes like this. Okay, so the progression of this groove goes like this. Re, mi, fa, re, so, do, la, and you start again. Re, mi, fa, re, so, do. So ta 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 ta. Okay, so re to your mi. Okay, re fa re mi, re fa re mi. Now to your fa, do fa. Okay, okay, re fa re mi, do fa. Now to your re. You see, so fa fa la fa mi re. Okay, so re fa re mi, do fa fa la fa mi re. So now to your so la ti so. Now to your do. Now to your la. Okay, so do mi so do la. Do mi so do la. Okay, so from do to your la. Okay, do mi so do la. Okay, so re fa re mi, do fa fa la fa mi re mi fa so. La ti so ti do mi so do la. Okay, so now you want to start again. So you will now start on your re again. Okay. Okay, so it goes like this. So ti do ti la so. Ti do ti la re. Okay, so okay, now to your mi. Okay, re fa mi do mi. Okay, so re fa mi do mi fa. Now to your re. Okay, fa la do mo re. Okay, so okay, you can also play it here because you have your mo here, you have your re here. Okay, then you play, then you continue. So la ti so ti do. Okay, So try and rehearse with all these bass line, because you can also mix them up. So something like this, you see. So I have joined the third one and the second. Okay, so you see. So just rehearse with all the bass line and be joining them in your groove, your worship, your praises. Okay, so I'll see you guys next week. Bye for now.